Today, I will be sharing to you my very simple, low-cost and very humble water tank setup. I am not an expert about water tanks and I don't have any experience whatsoever. I did this to solve our water supply issue because some days there is no water from our water supply cooperative. So we don't have any water to use in our daily living. I used 2 pieces of 200-liter recycled water tank. I bought this from the marketplace as a raw material recycled from a glucose syrup container. I was the one who made a hole in the container for the pipe inlet and also for the top door. And these are the approximate expenses of the whole setup. This is the professional option. You can buy a 400-liter Bastac at 13,200 pesos if you want. But you also need professional services for that to be installed and set up in your home. But I prefer the cheap alternative because I cannot afford that amount as of the moment. I live in a slope area, so I did not have to build a tower for the tanks. I just put them in an elevated pedestal so gravity will take care of the flow of the water. This is the automatic on and off of the main water supply. I used an improvised floater using a recycled plastic apple juice container, hooked in a tablespoon connected to the faucet handle. Obviously, the plastic container is the floater. And when the water drops, the floater will also drop. In effect, the faucet will open up allowing the flow of water from the water supply. But if the water tank will become full, the floater will rise up and in effect, turning off the faucet. Super basic logical concept, even kids know this stuff. Ha ha ha.
So this is close 0. So if I turn this on, then the water inside here will flow from here to there and also to the second container. And the second container is empty. So this is the first time I tested this. Let's see if my experiment is correct. And then this is the main output ball valve and it is closed. This is closed and that one is already open. So if I turn this on, this will not go here, but the water will go here. Let's see if this is good. Okay, so that's empty, nothing there, and this is full. It's automatic off because of the floater. Let's turn this on. Boom! And so the water is starting to flow, and then this will start to go down. The floater is going down, and then it starts to the faucet starts to open up little by little. So the floater is going down, and then the water here starts to level with the water here. That's the physics behind. Okay, yeah, and then when this gets full, this will also get full. So we'll see if this here will not overflow. if this is full here, but I think in my theory that will not happen because they are in the same level plane. Look, simple as that. So yeah, you can copy this setup. Okay.
So, while waiting for the water tank to get full and hopefully not overflow, I will continue setting up the pipes. I will now condemn the old setup which served our household for the past 6 months. I have already cut the original pipe from the old setup, but I will still be using the rest of the old setup.
The water is gold. What a golden water. So that's my automatic valve control. $105
This is the water dirt accumulated over 6
at the
months.
mess.
It looks like we can mine gold from this dirt. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, one is here, and yeah,
After 100 seconds, I have connected the pipes to the new setup and already junked the old setup.
so it's not really connected, you know. Just
Icelandic murderers who named both the country opposites, the lurid settlers, and killed them. Wow.
yeah,
I'm also a scientist.
not yet.
Ladies, in my life. Apparently, you push harder here.
So it's down, completely down. So now it's level. So the water is right here. There. Okay. We'll see if it doesn't overflow. Okay. Water will always find its level. Okay. Yeah. Almost, yeah, just the same level with this. Yeah. So when it gets full, the floater will rise up and it will automatically turn off. Simple but genius. Okay. Let's go, manok.